Are you embarrassed about snoring? Namaste. So, welcome again to Shubhra Fitness. We discuss here simple lifestyle hacks and techniques so that you can attain a healthy and blissful life. So, welcome again. Today's topic is snoring, a very common, relative topic yet untouched. And what people think, everyone thinks of a short, simple, short process that will work like magic. Let me tell you, yes, there are some techniques in yoga which works like magic, but you will have to practice them. For from non-curable to curable, it will be a journey. So if you are ready, let's discuss. So snoring, yes, it's very embarrassing, isn't it? For the one who has this problem as well as those who are with them. So we will discuss about two techniques today. If you practice them regularly, you will surely get the benefits. So number one, every day, put 2 drops of cow ghee in both of your nostrils while you are going to sleep at night. जब आप सोने जाते हैं रात को, अपने दोनों नासिकाओं में 2 ड्रॉप्स, 2 बूंदे गाय के घी की आप रेगुलर अपने नासिकाओं में डालिए. आप रेगुलरली अपने ये हैबिट आपको, ये आदत आपको डालनी है अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप इससे मुक्ति पाएं. दूसरा, रेगुलरली अभी हम लोग एक मुद्रा की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. विल प्रैक्टिस वन मुद्रा विच यू विल हैव टू डू 15 minutes 3 times a day. सुबह, दोपहर, शाम, मॉर्निंग, आफ्टरनून and at night, or evening and night. Make a tight fist, press the base of the little finger with your thumb. With this fist, keep this fist 15 minutes once, morning, afternoon, and in the evening or night, in the evening. So 15 minutes, that is 45 minutes per day, and do it regularly. So more easy and simple remedies for your healthy lifestyle. Follow Shubhra Fitness.